Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn about declaring string variables. Previously, you used the following code to declare a variable where my name. Yeah, we used this. But you can also use the same to declare a string variable like this. Okay, see, as you can see here, we can also use this for string variables too, not just numbers. Previously we learned that we only used to do this for numbers, but now it is saying that we can also use the same declaration for declaring string variable. Here this your name is called a string literal. A string literal or string is a series of 0 or more characters enclosed in double or single or double quotes. What you can differentiate here is that for numbers we didn't use these quotes, but for strings we enclose them in single or double quotes. Okay, so what are they asking us to do? We need to create two new strings. First is my first name and my last name, and assign them the values of first and last name respectively. Okay, I hope you understood what they are asking. We need to declare a variable, two variables. The first variable is my first name equals, we need to write a string variable and assign them the value of your first and last name. Okay, my first name is Simon. Okay, now another, my last name. Cowell. Okay, now let us see if our program is working. Yes, it worked. Now let us move to the next challenge. Thank you for watching.